Hey guys, today we will look at ways to increase your memory. Stay tuned to the end for an interesting tip I know you will appreciate. Number 1 out of 7. Eat less sugar. Research shows that a sugar-laden diet can lead to poor memory and reduced brain volume, particularly short-term memory. Number 2. Maintain a healthy weight. You will benefit from this. Obesity leads to a decline in cognitive ability, and it does this by causing insulin resistance. And insulin resistance could negatively impact the brain. I encourage you to go check out a BMI chart. Number 3 is sleep. Sleep plays an important role in memory establishment. Sleep helps process short-term memories by strengthening and transforming them into long-lasting memories. Adults need about 7 to 9 hours of sleep every single night. Number 4. Drink less alcohol. Blood alcohol levels above 0.08 grams per milliliter alters the brain and will result in memory deficits. Alcohol causes neurotoxic effects on the brain, therefore repeated episodes of drinking too much can cause damage to the hippocampus. This part of the brain plays a vital role in memory. Therefore, don't drink alcohol with your friends during an exam cycle. It is bad and will most probably lead to bad marks. Number 5. Exercise more. Research shows that exercise can be beneficial for the brain and can therefore increase and improve memory. It improves the cognitive performance of the brain across all ages. Number 6. Train your brain. It is a verifiable fact that playing brain games to exercise cognitive skills will increase your memory. Games such as chess, jigsaw puzzles, and crosswords will improve memory function. This is definitely the most fun way to increase your memory, and I encourage you to do this. And finally, number 7, the one you've all been waiting for. Add cocoa to your diet. Guys, guess what contains lots of cocoa? Chocolate. But guys, you have to remember, only sugar-free chocolate should be used if you want to increase your memory. Cocoa has many antioxidants called flavonoids. Flavonoids, according to research, is beneficial for the brain because it stimulates growth of blood vessels and neurons, and it increases blood flow in the parts of the brain involved with memory. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends and leave a comment down below if you can add anything I might have missed. Until next time, thank you so much.